Hello everyone, hope you all doing great. In this video, I'll be explaining you what is scatter plot and how to create scatter plot using Tableau. You know, scatter plots are used to find a relationship between two continuous variables. In order to plot the scatter plot, we need at least two numerical variables and one categorical variable. I'm interested in knowing the distribution of sales and profit with respect to different categories, that is with respect to different subcategories. In that case, we're gonna use scatter plot. Let's see how to create the scatter plot using Tableau. Let me select sales and a profit. So we got a one plot. This represents total sales and a total profit. But I want this sales and a profit with respect to different subcategories. Let me select subcategory. We got a different bubbles. I want to increase the size of a bubble based on our sales. Let me drag sales on top of a size. So we got a bubble size increased. You can also format it here. I want to see the labels, so I'll just drag subcategory on top of a label. And let me drag sales on top of a label so that I can see the sales. If you keep your cursor, it shows like both profit and a sales. We call it like our tooltip. And whatever format you want, if you want to format the x-axis, y-axis, you can just do the formatting. Just right click on a format, select the field here. I'll select a profit and you can change the font color and you can give whatever color you want and also the size. Well, I have changed it. This is how you can do the formatting even for the y-axis. Hope it's clear. This is how we create a stunning scatter plot, which basically helps in understanding how two numerical variables varies. Thank you. Happy learning.